Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Mongoose Switch and Stun BMX style kids bike, perfect for boys and girls ages 5-8. This bike features 18-inch wheels and a low stand-over steel frame, making it easy for young riders to access and control. With a recommended rider height of 40-52 inches, this bike also comes with removable training wheels to help your little one find their balance as they learn to ride. The coaster foot brake and hand brakes provide confidence when stopping, making it great for first-time riders. The tool-free adjustable seat lets you easily customize the bike to your child's needs, and the durable chain guard helps protect them from scrapes and cuts. The bike also features metal spoked wheels, black grips, and an alloy 4-bolt stem, giving it the look and feel of a pro rider's bike. The Mongoose Switch and Stun BMX style kids bike arrives with handlebars upside down for packaging, but assembly is easy with some basic tools required. So if you're looking for a high-quality and stylish bike for your little one, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews and product recommendations. Happy riding!